Hey you guys, and welcome back to That Family 5, or welcome if you're new. Happy New Year, Happy New Year. On today's video, we are putting up our new front light. The light that we had was a motion light that was like from the 80s, and it finally broke and died. And so we got a whole new light to go with it. The light that we got is the Secure Home Healthy Zenith motion activated light from Lowe's. It was $45. We really enjoyed putting it up and learning how to use it. So enjoy the rest of the music and enjoy the content. Just to let y'all know, my name is Latoya. I'm a wife, mother, and entrepreneur. And in this video, on this channel, you get cleaner motivation, DIY inspiration. We have a 1983 L-shaped rancher that we are slowly but surely updating. So enjoy the content and the video. Thank you so much.
The pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings and my heart. How much you're messing with my feelings and my heart. Yeah. I'm going back to the table round. Oh, they saving us in for the stable friend of mine. Cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed.
Alright, hey you guys. As you can see, we're doing an unboxing of our bye, I love you, of my light outside, right? So we needed the light. Y'all, I don't know why I feel like the lighting is off on my Jesus.
Someone was detected at your house.
Toya, pause.
Oh, I'm here now and done now.
Take it out.
Oh, yeah, you're right. I can do that right now.
Could have been doing that all day.
How are you two?
Alright, so this is the light. It's gonna go outside. So I'm going to change the timer. We do want the sensitivity to be really sensitive. Oh, it's already on high. I don't want that high. So turn low just a little bit. And then right here, that's how it sits. Can y'all see? Try not to show my face. That is the timer. So we can have from dusk to dawn, and then have it on for 1 minute, 5 minute, or 10 minute. That's 10.
Like
go 5.
I don't want to wear clothes.
Need this part here because it has it up on the thing. So that's all done. Let's gotta put this back on. Go ahead and clean the inside. Rain B,
What?
come here, please.
What is it?
Can you get that Swiffer thing for me? Oh. She's so beautiful.
What the TV for?
Cause ain't nobody out here. I'm actually about to put some Christmas music on.
I'm about to.
It's cold
What's the
outside.
Christmas movie?
Whenever y'all ready. Ooh, let me put that back. I don't know if this needed. It may be needed. Nope, it says remove. So we're removing these. Let me go.
Crazy, yo. Hey, my baby is something rolling her eyes just to let me know. Sometimes we argue like here we go. When we make up, it's a movie though. Hey, I can never get enough, babe. Feels like I know you girl all my life when I'm with you. Nothing else matter, you know that. Nothing else matter, don't go back. I don't they wait on you for too long, but I want you. Them go tell you you should fall back. Deep inside you know that I go make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah, make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah. Oh, my baby goes lovey-dovey. Yeah. Oh, my baby goes lovey-dovey when I'm around you. Every time yeah, when I'm around you, girl. Make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah, make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. I can never get enough of it.
Protecting my peace for so long, a little too good, now I'm solo. Watching reruns of the same shows. Almost every party I'm a no-show. Even with green lights I don't go. Never been sure, no I don't know. How does everybody else let go of the ego? Don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Not living life like I know I.
All right now, so my battery died. Oh, wonderful. First video of the year. But we made it through and we're all done. I love how it lights up at nighttime, which I forgot to do, but y'all will see that in another video when we clean up the porch for the new year. But I want to thank y'all so much for being here. Thank you for spending your precious time with us, for we are the family that love life and having fun and give you all the motivation and the inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. Peace out. We'll see you on the next one.